Alright traders, hello again, this is Thomas from Finate, and since I didn't take any trades today, I owe you a recapitulation of last week's trading, and it didn't end up on a good note. Unfortunately, I was down, about minus 2.8% for the Friday, and the whole week was just a mess with a loss of over 5.5%. So I decided to dedicate this video to the topic of psychology and on how to survive intraday trading cycles. As you can see, my results for the March trading were really great, I would say. But the April is not going so well. If you take into account that it's already the 20th of April and I'm still down for the whole month, it doesn't look pretty, and this is the reality of intraday trading. Don't fall a victim to those who claim to make money every day, because that's not the case. And actually, intraday trading, if you have the brain to do it, it's even better than, let's say, swing or core trading, because yeah, I might have down a month. I might lose some weeks. I might lose 1 or 2 months a year. And if I'm a good trader, I will gain maybe just a little. Maybe I will hit some home runs for the rest of the year. But in swing trading, everything you have to multiply it by, let's say, a factor of 10. So you can have a losing year or 2 years. But over time, let's say over a period of 5-10 years, if your strategy has some merit, you will almost unequivocally make your money. So, why is having a losing streak an issue? It's just a probability, right? So you might feel like the market goes against you all the time, and that's just not the case, because let's say you have a strategy that has 50% win rate. So it's like flipping a coin, right? Let's say you have 1 to 2 risk to reward. And so each time you flip a coin, you either get paid 2 coins or you lose 1 coin. So over time, you will instantly tell me that this is a winning strategy. But let me ask you something. Can it happen that when you toss the coin, that, let's say, 10 or 20 times in a row, you have heads or you have tails? It is possible. Given successful, given enough tosses, you will end up with this streak. And so the same thing goes into intraday trades. As long as you stick to your plan, there is a probability that you will end up winning or losing the trade. And so the single most important thing you can do during those low cycles, during those losing days and weeks and maybe even months, is to stick to your plan and don't try to persuade yourself that it's your strategy is no longer valid, because it's not. It's just the statistics. It's just those tosses that managed to bunch up, and they show as a negative balance into your trading account for a limited period of time. That's the important word, limited. And so you just stick to a plan, and those times will pass, as will my April, hopefully. Maybe I will stay down for the month, maybe I will break even, maybe I will make some profit. Who knows? All I know is that if I stick to my rules, maybe the next month will be even better than 20%. Maybe it will be just average. Who knows? But I will know that over time I will keep making money. So that is it for today's lesson. Stick to it. And if you're having a bad streak, just let me know. Let's discuss it. If you have some questions regarding markets, just shoot away. And while we are at it, I will briefly talk about the VIX, which is the fear index, so to speak. And for the first time after the extreme at 85 during the peak crash into current crisis, for the first time we see somewhat of a pattern here. This is the 1, 2, 3 low with a break. So we can possibly see the turning point of this intermediate bull run in the SPY. So you can take it as an inversed version of the regular SPY. So the 1, 2, 3 low in VIX marks the possibility that after this drop and roughly 50% retracement, we are arriving at a point after which we continue down. Many traders are expecting it, including me. So we'll see how it goes. So, hope you guys learned something from today's lesson, and I will see you around. Bye.